Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong May 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Libra, what is the energy ng kaperahan, money, career, finances? May 2026. Wow! O, diba? Magbunyi ang lahat. Abundance. You are receiving abundance in your career, finances. Ito yung tipong hindi ka mauubusan. Like, ang abundance kasi, whatever you need will be provided sa'yo. Okay? Fortune is yours, Libra. This can also mean abundance in ideas, abundance in your energy. Mas malakas yung loob mo, mas marami kang ma-achieve, marami kang ma-accomplish, magagawa, mas productive ka ngayong May. You also have peace of mind. Siyempre, no, kapag nagpo-provide mo yung needs mo, yung family mo, mga mahal mo sa buhay, magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind. Kasi hindi mo na alalahanin yung mga kakulangan. Kasi napupunuan yon. Okay? Sensuality, your freedom flowing from far away. I dance, I love, I laugh, I play. So I think this is you expressing yourself in the most authentic way. Okay? So some of you maaring yung inyong career, trabaho, or business has something to do with being true, being creative. Kumbaga, andun ka sa career path na you can showcase your talents, your skills, abilities. Yung iba sa inyo into entertainment, content creation, freedom flowing. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay walang boss. Kayo ay nag-ooperate on your own. Ayan. Self-employed. You don't report to someone. It's just being you, creative, no? Being creative. Crane. So, crane is about, maaring meron kang mga, gustong simulan. Ito yung mga commitment mo sa sarili mo. Siyempre, kapag meron kang gustong ma-achieve, dapat magsiset ka ng goals. Paano mo ma-achieve yon? Diba? So, I see you na being more committed and devoted sa anumang tinatahak mo sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, or business mo. Tree of Life. Wow. So, Tree of Life, this is about blessings, support. You are being supported by the people around you, by your community, by your family, by the universe. So, you have something that you need. Kumbaga, ano man yung kailangan mo andyan, it will be provided para sa'yo. You also have the Storm. Ang storm is about transition. Pwedeng may magbabago sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. If yung career path mo, trabaho mo, finances mo ay hindi pa ganun ka-stable, may magbabago ngayong May na magta-transition ka from that situation going to a better situation in your career, business, or finances. So, mas magkakaroon ng abundance. Okay? And, kumbaga para ma-overcome mo yung challenges na napagdaanan mo. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, makes sense with the Death card. This is transformation. Things are changing for the better. Merong natapos. May nagsara na pinto, pero merong magbubukas para sa'yo. Endings and new beginnings. You have the Five of Pentacles. I see that ngayong May, mas marirealize mo kung ano yung naging epekto sa'yo ng financial struggles mo. Mas pinatatag ka ng financial struggles mo. And this will also let you see kung sino yung mga taong totoong nagsusuporta sa'yo at nagmamahal sa'yo. Kasi 'di ba, sabi nga nila, mas makikilala mo kung sino talaga yung totoong may paki sa'yo kapag may challenge ka sa buhay. Now, you have the King of Cups. You are focused on, itong trabaho, career path na tinatahak mo ngayong May, mas importante sa'yo yung happiness. Mas importante sa'yo na gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Meron kang fulfillment sa ginagawa mo. You are also helping others and caring for others. You have the devil. Meron temptation, okay? Andun pa rin yung pagkakataon na pwede kang malihis ng landas. Kaya nga, ito rin yung time na kailangan meron kang self-reflection na ano ba yung mga napagdaanan mo before na hindi nag-work para sa'yo, or mga actions na ginawa mo, mga bad decisions na nagawa mo na hindi nakatulong para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. So, yun yung i-let go mo. Especially that merong threat na pwedeng malihis yung landas. Yung mga temptation sa paligid. For example, okay, pwede kang i-bless ng marami, no? But the question is, kaya mo bang i-handle? Kaya mo bang pangalagaan? Halimbawa, yung mga kwentong napapanood natin na sinuwerte sila sa buhay, pero ang nangyari naman is yung pera, pinangsugal, or pinambisyo, di ba? So, sabi nga with great power comes great responsibility. So, iti-test ka ng universe kung deserve mo ba sa ngayon yung mga blessings na nare-receive mo. Kasi kapag merong mga temptation, umiwas na. Honor your own time of harvest. Offer your gifts and blessings as service to the greater good. Yes. So, the more na tumutulong ka sa ibang tao, the more na ikaw ay i-bless. Stand tall and proud. See the leadership role unfolding ahead of you. So, some of you merong leadership role na marireceive ngayong May sa trabaho, sa business. This can also mean leadership role mo sa sarili mo career path. Whether you are working for another company or person or ikaw mismo, you are going to be the leader of your own career, your path. Inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. So yeah, this is the transformation that I'm seeing for you. Meron kang realizations of the things na hindi nag-work para sa'yo, na kailangan mo na i-let go. Although nandoon yung temptation sa paligid, nandyan pa rin, but you will have to rise above it. No? Kumbaga, kailangan ma-overcome mo yon para magtuloy-tuloy yung blessings, magtuloy-tuloy yung magagandang nangyayari sa career mo. So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.